What if I tell you the biggest traders on Wall Street don't start their day reading earning reports? They start by looking at the sky. And no, this isn't a science fiction, this isn't a conspiracy theory. This actually happened. In early 2010s, a handful of elite hedge funds quietly discovered a new edge. No better analysts, not faster computers, satellites, spy level satellites. The kind originally built for governments and intelligence agencies. But instead of tracking missiles or storms, they were tracking shopping carts. Yes, they purchased high resolution satellite images of parking lots across America. Walmart, Target, Amazon warehouses. Every single week, every single day, algorithms would count cars. More cars than last quarter. Sales are surging. Buy the stock before earnings. Empty space is growing. Trouble is coming. Sell before Wall Street even realizes. They weren't guessing demand. They were measuring it from space. And it didn't stop there. In China, oil data is notoriously opaque. Official numbers can be delayed, adjusted, sometimes unreliable. So hedge funds skipped the reports entirely. They zoomed in on a massive oil storage tanks. These tanks have floating roofs. When they are full, the roof rises. When they are empty, it sinks. From orbit, that tiny difference creates a shadow. Longer shadow, lower oil level. Shorter shadow, tank is full. Before governments publish inventory numbers, before traders reacted, these funds already knew. They positioned themselves in the crude oil futures days ahead of oil. And here's the wild part. None of this was illegal because technically it was alternative data. Publicly obtainable if you had millions to spend. And almost nobody knew it was happening. Not the SEC, not retail investors, not even the companies being traded. Wall Street had built eyes in the sky, but that was just the phase one. Today it is far more advanced. Hedge funds now track global shipping routes in real time, counting container ships leaving ports to predict supply chain. Bottlenecks before headlines break. They analyze crop health using multispectral imaging, predicting wheat shortages months before farmers file reports. They monitor pollution levels above factories, estimating industrial output without reading a single earnings score. They even study the color and density of a factory smoke to model production intensity. Think about that. You are watching CNBC, they are watching Earth. You are reading quarterly reports, they are reading shadows. And now it goes even further. Some funds scrap satellite images to estimate traffic at movie theaters before blockbuster releases. Others track construction progress to anticipate real estate earnings. Some combine satellite data with credit card spending and mobile location data to create near real-time economic models. The market is not just about information anymore. It's about who sees reality first. Because in finance, speed is not measured in seconds, it is measured in perspective. And while most investors are staring at the charts on their screens, some are staring at the planet itself. Wall Street doesn't just have analysts anymore, it has satellites, eyes in the sky.